CSL St Laurent might be the hardest working art piece sailing the Great Lakes, and she's airing out her cargo holds for us too. We'll look deeper into her mural and cargo holds in a minute. Built in 2014, this is another Trillium-class vessel just like the CSL Thunder Bay I recently featured. At 740 feet long, she's the longest length that can fit through the Welland Canal system. This allows her to go all the way from Lake Superior down the St. Lawrence River to ports like Montreal. CSL's history began in 1845, 27 years before Canada became its own country. There's a ton of history to Canada's Steamship Lines. The company was previously owned by Sir James Dunn, a prolific Sault Ste Marie businessman who owned Algoma Steel in Sault Ste Marie. Later, they were owned by Canadian Prime Minister Paul Martin. There's a ton more history I'll sprinkle into future videos, so get subscribed for that. The Seakeeper mural was completed in 2017 by 4 urban Montreal artists. It's a depiction of a Canadian goose in flight. Its forward motion is a tribute to both Montreal celebrating its 375th year, as well as Canada celebrating its 150th as a country. The design is meant to represent Canada's diversity, with many aspects coming together to form one. Here we get a glimpse at the cargo holds in the Great Lakes freighters. CSL St Laurent has 5 cargo holds, and each cargo hold has 3 hatches. Having multiple hatches per hold means you can have more control when loading cargo. It looks like the middle hatch of 4 cargo holds are open. Perhaps the crew just finished cleaning them? Maybe they're drying them out? Let me know if you know what's going on in the comments below. CSL St Laurent doesn't pass through our neck of the woods too often. Keep an eye out on marine traffic if you want to catch her in the future.